Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Here on the XRP chart, the price is still holding between support and the all-time high. So we have a support area between $1.20 and $2.08. It is still holding, and the idea is currently that we could still get another high in this cycle as long as the market does hold above the $1.20 level. This is a very, very important support level because this $1.20 level is the 50% retracement of the last rally, and that is typically a key sentiment level based on Fibonacci mathematics, which tell us whether we are bullish or bearish. And as long as we have to just give the market the space to possibly test that level. I'm not telling you that level will have to be tested, but it is just a potential. So this is the range we are working in, right? This is a range we're operating in on the larger time frame. We're currently in the middle of the range, so not the best trade location, you could say. However, that just is relating to the overall range. Obviously, the overall idea is that we get another high in this cycle, and I'm sort of eyeing the $5 to $5.65 level as possible next upside targets. Yeah, but first of all, the market needs to start to give us some signals. Yeah, that we're actually already in a breakout. So far, we only see smallest movements on the smaller time frames that are not really giving us any major insights. Okay, so we are still holding below main resistance levels, and we don't see any strong impulsive price action. So we will take a look at the smaller time frame, but today the market is under a little bit of selling pressure, so that there's basically just not enough evidence to say that we're already in an upside breakout. You can see it here on the 4-day chart that this is literally just a sideways range at the moment. There is even potential that this turns into a triangle pattern, which is why I've already said weeks ago that you should be ready for potentially more sideways chop, messy sideways action, which you can't really predict, but we know that XRP likes to move in sideways structures quite a lot, okay? And I've just sketched out a potential triangle. Don't think that this is really a very clearly defined triangle. It's just to highlight, look, this might turn into one. If it is the case, this could carry on for a little longer, this sideways range, okay? Still though, very interesting price structure because it has been holding really, really well. Also, while many other cryptocurrencies sold off quite strongly in recent weeks and months. Now, looking at the shorter time frame, here the chart has not really moved a lot since February. So we had this sell-off into the early February lows, and since then the market has, recovered a little bit, but then dipped again. And you can see that we're not really forming a clear series of higher highs and higher lows at the moment. So the most bullish, let's say, structure we had here was the rally from the 28th of February low. But as I explained to you, this ended as a so-called three-wave move up. And these three-wave structures, they are not clearly bullish. It is just, a corrective move to the upside, which is just not clearly impulsive. And without a clear 5-wave move up, the trend is not clearly up. Now, this here could still work as a so-called diagonal pattern to the upside. The question is, what is a diagonal pattern? A diagonal pattern means that we're dealing with 5 waves to the upside, but the sub-waves are corrective, which means the sub-waves are 3-wave movements. We have 3 waves in wave 1. We have 3 waves in wave 2. We would have 3 waves in wave 3, then wave 4 and 5 as well. And we're currently probably working on the 3rd wave, at least from a bullish point of view, yeah? I've added a support area to reflect what the parameters are here for the bullish case. It's not high confidence, yeah? This is all based on corrective price action that we see here at the moment, and we don't have any impulses to the upside. So I think it would look best as an ABC structure to the upside in a 3rd wave, but needs to hold, the price needs to hold the $2 mark to keep the upside scenario alive. So to keep that yellow scenario alive, the price must hold above $2. Any sustained break, any decisive break below $2 would strongly indicate that we're following the blue scenario, which would send us down lower into that lower support area in a still unfolding 4th wave. Yeah, this would be, let's say the bearish alternative, short-term bearish, but it would send us just down lower. It would send us lower into the range here, into the support area for the range, which would be better from a reward to risk point of view if anybody's looking to trade the range. Not much more to say, which means the focus today is here and in the coming sessions is on this micro support area between $2 and $2.23. Any break above $2.47 should send the price higher next to $2.64 plus. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.